Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic parametric differentiation. So given that x plus t is equals to xt and we have 2ty minus y squared is equals to 3, find the dx dt and the dy dt. So now I'm going to find the dx dt, meaning that differentiate x respect to t. So for this case, we have dx dt plus 1 equals to, so we are going to use the product rule to differentiate this situation where x is a u and t as a v. So by using the product rule, we have t differentiate the x, we will have dx dt because we are dealing with x and we are differentiate the thing respect to t. So if we met the t, we are going to differentiate it normally. Plus x differentiate the v, we have t, so which will be 1. So simplify the situation. So we have dx dt plus 1 equals to t bracket dx dt plus x. So rearrange the situation and factorize. So factor out the dx dt bracket, we have 1 minus t equals to x minus 1. So finally, dx dt will be equals to x minus 1 over 1 minus t. Next, we are going to differentiate 2ty minus y squared equals to 3. So the question asks us to find dy dt, meaning that when we met t or deal with t, just differentiate as usual. So for this case, we are going to use the product rule. Let the t as a u and v for y. So bracket 2 bracket y, if we differentiate t, we'll have 1 plus we have t. If we differentiate the y, we will have dy dt minus 2y dy dt equals to 0 because it's a constant. Expand the situation and then simplify. So we will have 2y plus 2t dy dt minus 2y dy dt equals to 0. Factor out the dy dt. So we will have dy dt bracket 2t minus 2y equals to negative 2y. So dy dt will be equals to negative 2y over, factor out the 2, so we have bracket t minus y. Simplify, so dy dt will be equals to negative y over t minus y, or we can say dy dt is equals to y over y minus t. So now we are going to answer the second part. Hence, find the values of dy dx when x is equals to 2. So in here, we are going to find the value of y and t. So given that the x is equals to 2. If the x is equals to 2, meaning that we are going to substitute the value into this equation. So meaning that we have 2 plus t equals to 2t. So t will be equals to 2. Next, we are going to substitute the value of t into this equation in order to get y. So meaning that from here, we will have 2t will be substituted by 2y minus y squared is equals to 3. So we will have 4y minus y squared equals to 3. Rearrange the situation. So y squared minus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. Factor the situation and we will have y minus 3, y minus 1 equals to 0. So y will be equals to 3 and y will be equals to 1 when the value of x is equals to 2 and the value of t is also equals to 2. So now we have two sets of value. Next we are going to find the dy dx. So the formula for the dy dx will be dy dx is equals to dy dt multiply with dt dx. So substitute, we'll have y over y minus t multiply with dt dx. So in here we have dx dt, meaning that we have to flip the situation and we will have 1 minus t over x minus 1. So that is what we call dt dx. So finally, our dy dx will be equals to y bracket 1 minus t over y minus t bracket x minus 1. So previously we already find the dy dx and the value of x, t and y. So when the x is equals to 2, t is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3, kindly substitute the value into the first derivative. So in here we will have dy dx is equals to 3 bracket 1 minus 2 over 3 minus 2 bracket 2 minus 1. So kindly simplify for the numerator and we will have negative 3 over 1 multiple with 1. So finally the dy dx will be equals to negative 3. Next, when the x is equal to 2, t is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. The value for dy dx will be equals to 1 multiply with 1 minus 2 over 1 minus 2 bracket 2 minus 1. So for the numerator we will have negative 1 and for denominator we will have negative 1 as well. So finally the value for dy dx will be equals to 1. So here we are and thanks for watching.